In today's video, we are looking at EURUSD and what lies ahead in the coming trading sections. In my previous videos, I made us understand that EURUSD is not moving down yet. Any pullback we are seeing here is just a correction. And this is because we are bound for higher highs to complete symmetries above, all right? So I also made us understand that we had some imbalances here, which this pullback was coming to fill, and we've seen that imbalance partially filled at this point, but we still have a little that is left just around this area. We still have an imbalance of this very candle, yet not fully filled. And the market bounced off from here because of a confluence of these very supports, okay? So all of them served as a strong zone for the market. That was why we got this very strong pullback. But is the market set to move up like I predicted? I think not yet, okay? And I'll give you the reason. The reason is that we are trading within this very channel, okay? While we're moving within this channel, we got a breakout, which finally turned out to be a fake out. Remember, I always tell us that a fake out in one direction will lead to an extended move to the opposite direction. So this fake out that we have here is bound to take price back to the bottom of the channel, which completes the symmetry, because the market loves symmetry, like I always tell us. So the first reason why I think we are not yet set to move up to new highs is because we have not completed that symmetry. So that is one reason I know we are not yet going up. So we will still come back here. And another reason is this. With this bounce we have here, we've got these two large candles that just bounced off from this confluence of supports. As a result, none of them has been fully retraced, okay? So it has also created imbalance between these very two candles. We have lots of imbalance here, and the market will tend to come back to fill the imbalance. And there's also liquidity created below these lows, because some people have started going long and putting their stop losses just below these very lows here, okay? So as a result, there is a liquidity below these lows, coupled with the imbalance of this candle, which I mentioned initially, that have not been fully filled, okay? So we have imbalance just below here, and we also have liquidity below this low. So the market most likely is going to come down back into this area to sweep this very liquidity here and fill up the imbalance with these candles. Then from there, we'll get a bounce back up. And that bounce will result to the completion of the symmetry within this very descending channel, okay? And as we break the top of that channel, that will begin to lead us to new highs, okay? And also lead us to the completion of this other symmetry. So that is one scenario. Second scenario is that this price may actually come to this very point, first complete this very symmetry right here by moving to the top of this very descending channel. If the market decides to go that route, touching this place first, then we'll now still finally come down here to complete this other symmetry that is touching the bottom of this very descending channel, then filling up these imbalances here, and from there we begin to move up again. So the upward trend still remains intact, and we are heading to new highs in this very area. So that is exactly my take on EURUSD, and I hope this will help you manage your trades very well. Thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out in my next videos. Cheers.